Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create better AI videos with InVideo AI and improve your results with better planning, prompts, visuals, voiceovers, and editing. First, open InVideo AI and start a new video project. Before generating anything, clearly define your topic, target audience, and the main purpose of your video. Next, prepare a detailed prompt. Explain the topic, preferred video style, tone, audience, important points, and the type of visuals you want. A clear prompt gives the AI better direction and can help you get a result that is closer to your original idea. Once your prompt is ready, generate the initial video. When it's complete, preview the entire project instead of immediately exporting it. Start by reviewing the script. Make sure the information is accurate, useful, and
Not real.
organized in a logical order. Remove unnecessary sections and improve any sentences that sound unclear. Next, check the AI voiceover. Choose a voice that matches your topic and audience, and listen carefully for pronunciation, pacing, and tone. Now review every scene and compare the visuals with the narration. If an image or video clip doesn't match what is being explained, replace it with a more relevant visual. You should also keep your scenes focused. If one scene contains too much information, divide it into smaller sections so viewers can follow the content more easily. Next, improve the on-screen text and subtitles. Keep important information short, readable, and properly synchronized with the narration.